Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel again. Today I want to teach you, yes, I want to teach you how to create easy thumbnails with your phone. Some persons actually think that creating thumbnails is only with your laptop or with your desktop computer. No, you can also use your mobile phone to create thumbnails. But today I'm going to be teaching how you can use PixArt, PixArt to create your own easy thumbnails. Very easy to use, okay? You don't need to subscribe. Though they have their pro version, but with the unpaid version, you can create anything. I've been using PixArt now for the past 10 years, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, for the past 10 years now, I've been using PixArt. So I want to teach you how you can use PixArt to create a YouTube thumbnail. Very easy. So join me and let's create a thumbnail. Let's go. Yes, this is the software here called PixArt. PixArt, okay? PixArt, that's the software we're going to be using. So I'm going to be clicking on PixArt. This is PixArt. It will open. Now, when the software is open, there is this plus sign under this purple circle with a plus sign. You're going to click on it. I'll go straight to the point without wasting any of your time so that you can really know exactly what to do. Okay. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to add a color, add a background color. Most of the time, you can either choose white or black based on what you want to design. But on this one, I'll be choosing black. This brown. It's not black. It's a custom color already. This brown. Okay. Now, based on YouTube, the the format of thumbnails is not in box like this. So you're going to choose this tool. We're going to click on tool. Click on crop. Click on crop. Now 16.9 is the format. Okay. When you check like this, you see different formats. But for YouTube, 16.9 is the format. So you're going to click it. It's going to take the format for YouTube. Then you're going to click on this. Good. Now, the first thing you are going to do now, if you are the type of person that want to make sure your face is on the screen of your thumbnails, you are going to choose a picture, your picture that you want to use. Okay, unless you don't want your picture to be on it, then you decide not to use your picture. Okay, now, but I'm going to be using my picture. So you're going to select from this option. You see the add photo option. Okay, you choose the add photo option. You can go into your gallery to choose the place where you saved your picture. It might be on camera or in another folder, but mine is on a different folder. So I'm going to look for it. Gallery in a different folder. So I'm going to look for it. Dunklens, okay? I'm going to choose Dunklens. This is the picture I'm using. I'll click on it. It will highlight itself under that I've selected one picture out of 10. So I'm going to go ahead to add it with the addition icon on top here. Add. Now it's going to come up. Now you're going to see if I should increase this picture with this, if I should, with this icon under, this arrow under showing up and down, my background is still there and the picture will not be showing very well. So what I will do now is this. First of all, I will crop this picture. I will crop this picture to the way I want it to appear. After cropping the picture, I will OK it. Then I will have to remove the background. PixArt allow you to automatically remove background. So you're going to see cut out option. You're going to cut out. Now you're going to cut out the person. You have option to remove only the face, only the cloth, sky, only the head, only the hair, and background. Okay, but this time around we are removing the person, so we are going to click on person. You can see that the whole of my image has been highlighted. So after doing this, we're going to click on this good. Okay, now you discover that my image is standing alone without the background now. Okay, now you can scale it to feel the uh, the background. Okay, you can scale it up depending on how you want it, or you can move it with this arrow here, side or anywhere. Okay, yes. So I will type now how to make easy thumbnails on YouTube. How to make easy thumbnails on YouTube, or I will choose something else. But let me just type. There's an option for text here. Text. Let me type test. I will use my big letter. How to create easy YouTube. Okay, YouTube. I can scale it from here. It will take a different shape. Then I have different font to choose from, but before then I will choose a color so that you can see what I'm doing. I'll choose a white color from the color option. Then I'll go back to my font. Then I'll look. Any place you see the plus sign, it simply means a pro. That means you need to pay for it. But the ones you don't have the plus sign, that's the one you are going to use. Those ones are free. Like this bone, yeah, is free. Okay, so that's what we are looking for. Normally, this archivo has been black since the time I've been using PixArt over 10 years ago. It has been free. Okay, so this is it. How to create easy YouTube. Then I'll click out of 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 the text, or I'll click add. If I click on it, I can click add for me to be able to add something else. So I'll add text. Then I'll type thumbnails. It's already there. Thumbnail. Then I'll go back again and choose the font. This is the font. Because of the cloth I'm wearing, so I'll choose this yellow color to match. Okay. How to create easy YouTube in 2025. Okay, let me leave it like that. Okay, now to make this thumbnail catchy, I can decide to add a border to my own image. There are many options. So you click on the image. When you click on the image, these options will come out for you to choose. So I'll choose on the border. The border will come up. You can see that I have a very fine border around my image. So I can either scale it up or scale it down. So depending on what you want, you can either scale it up or scale it down. So I'm scaling it down a little. Then how to create easy. You can scale it up using this icon here. You can easily move it. So it's not really the best. So I'll click on it again. I can pinch, use your pinch, use your two fingers to pinch the screen to zoom in and out. Okay. So I think this is the best. This is the best so that you can see you can see the text. Now I'm clicking on the thumbnails. I clicked on the thumbnails. So I'm going to add a black background on the back of the how to. I'll come here, add shape. This is a shape. And then I'll choose the shape and choose a color for the shape. So because of the color I want to maintain, I can come here and choose a color that is close to my clothes. Then I'll scale it down. Scale it down. Now with this option right here, you can control the layers. With this option, you can control the layers, okay? Now you click on the one that has the color. You see option to move down. So move down. Click on the color again, move down. Click on the color again, move down. Now you can see that uh, the shape I added has been moved back to my image, to the back of my image. So I can stretch it back like this, or I can leave it this way. I can leave it this way, okay? So while you are editing, you always make adjustment. That's something you need to do. So I click on my text. Now I want to add a stroke. This is the stroke here. Add a stroke. The stroke most times is black. Black is always appreciable. So I click on the black. I can either scale it up or scale it down. So I'll scale it up so that it will be visible. Okay. Now, because I am creating something for YouTube, because I'm creating a thumbnail for YouTube, it is also good I put a YouTube logo on it. So what will happen is that I'm going to click on this sticker. There's a word called sticker here. Okay. If you are on any of these things, that option will not appear. Okay. So what you're going to do, click add, or click outside of the image, or click add easily. That's where you can be able to see sticker option. Okay. Now you click on the sticker. When you click on the sticker, you have different kind of stickers to choose from. Okay. But you cannot easily find what you need here. So what you have to do is to come to the search bar, and type what you want. So you can, I've already typed YouTube here before, but let me just type again. YouTube logo. You see YouTube logo here. You can see YouTube logo. Okay. So you can just take this one, YouTube. Put it somewhere there. Okay. So create YouTube. Now I will now bring a mobile phone also. I'll go back and type mobile phone. Most of the time it's iPhones that will come out. Okay. Mobile phone. This is a mobile phone. Okay. So I'll choose the one that is plain. This is a plain mobile phone. So I can scale it like this. Can scale it like this. So I can also adjust it because of the phone now. I can come back here and adjust what I've already placed here. Take it up. So that I can increase the size of my phone. How to create easy YouTube thumbnails on mobile phone. I can come now and type width. Okay. Width. mobile phone. I'll scale it down, scale it down, scale it down to make sure it's fitting inside the mobile phone. Then I can come back here and choose the text font that is free without a plus. So let me see, I'll pinch it back to see if with the mobile phone, oh, we're saying photo. So I can edit by double clicking on it, double clicking on it. All right, phone. Yes, with mobile phone. I think this is a bit catchy. So you can do whatsoever you want here. I don't really want to waste more of your time. I know I've taken a lot of time already. So this is the simple way you can create your thumbnails. Mind you, PixArt does not allow you to screenshot. So what you have to do is save. You see this sign up here? You just click on it and do what? And save. Save as JPEG. Yes, if you watch this video to the end, this is just the simple way to create thumbnails on PixArt. Mind you, try to always watch your adverts because that's the way you contribute to PixArt. That if you are not using the paid version. No, yes, that's the simple way to make thumbnails. You can be creative from that. There are a lot of stock photos, a lot of stock stuff you can use to create thumbnails, to create your edits on PixArt. So feel free, use PixArt. Okay. Now, if this video is um educative to you, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also give me a comment in the comment section. That's the way you encourage me. Yeah, that's the way you encourage me to do more videos, and I'll be coming up with something also on how to do something very important that'll be precious to you. So I love you guys. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.